Okay, welcome back to Tops Web. Wanted to show you a few things that where I am right now with the website. As you know, I'm changing over the theme from auto racing to horse racing. So where I am right now, this is really part two. Or the first part I showed you how to change the theme to the JA Purity theme. Now I found a couple of things in my trying to figure out how to replace the image over here, and you have to look at the other one to see what it used to look like. But it was I found this great thing on Joomla. I think if you just search on customizing the JA Purity template, you'll get to here. And literally this thing has everything you could possibly ever want to know about this particular template. It is so well documented. I was just blown away. So I got a few other things, like later I want to do the favicon, and I'd already plotted that out on the other side. So this will be, I'll actually have a script to go by in a way, or something to go by. Okay, so it won't be as winged, if you will. Okay, so back to here. What I wanted to show you how we got to this point. Now, first let's start with this image here. This is before it was the Joomla logo and some text. And let me get this open. If you can see, right here was the, if I highlight it, you can see the lettering. And let me blow it up here for you. I just found out how I could do this. A little magnifying glass. So that's the original logo, and here's what I do in GIMP. I pull it open and I take an image that I want, such as this one. This is one I got off of clip art, and literally I scale it and I put it into this size. So what I wanted to do is fit it about right here, so really small. So I scaled it down, and as you can see, I inverted the colors. And let me get over here. Hopefully you can see all this. This is a lot of stuff going on. This is the layers menu. You can hit that by Control L in GIMP. And right now it just has the background, which is the original image. Okay, let me get out of here. And okay, fade away. Okay, so what we do is hit a new layer, and what we're going to do is put I'm sorry, let's back up a minute. We're going to paste this in as a new layer. So first we got to get it down to size. It's 207 by 80, so a height of 80. We can come over here to GIMP, go to image, scale the image, and height of 80, and hit scale. Zip, there it is. Let's blow it up to 200% so we can even see it. It turned out pretty nice. There it is with the black background, and then what I did is delete out the black, so worked out really well. Here's the XCF. XCF is the native image of GIMP. Okay, so you can keep all your layers and everything. I wanted to keep it for later because I intend on doing a little bit more with that text. But as you can see, I just shot out the black background. And so when it lays on top, we can get back to here, it looks more engraved, I guess is the best way to put it. Alright, for this one, there's a little more to it. And what I did in the CSS file was point to another file in my own media files. Sorry, I'm banging on the desk here. In Media Manager, and as I've found out, you're going to have to go I literally made logo files, and I pointed the CSS to here. But what you're going to have to do anyway is log in and go to the file manager. You're going to have to go to the header, and I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. You're going to have to go to templates, JA Purity, header, and there you'll see the header 1, header 2, and header 3 files, and essentially do the same thing. Download them and put your own image over top of that and upload them back with the replacements back. Now, I did see that the tutorial asked you to create your own my JA Purity template, which was it is a better idea. It's literally copying the entire template file. Something I should have done anyway. I was trying to work around coming into the file manager, because sometimes you don't have access to that if you're just working on a client side. So that's usually what I do. I just start taking things away from the template and pointing them back to the media manager and have my own folder for it there, and well, and that way I can switch between templates if I want to, but can't do that here because of the random image that's built into the template with this header 1, header 2, and header 3. So what that is, and hopefully this isn't too annoying with the magnifying glass. If you see here, it's blue. We refresh the screen, and randomly it turns to green. That's because I used the same image over and over with different colors. Now, you don't have to do that. You can use 3 separate images. I just trying to get something changed over quickly for now. The other thing is I'm going to give our poor horse over here a tail. But anyway, that's how we get the images changed and the header changed. There's also built into this template is a layer. It's sort of a where you can change color to blue. No, it's black, and I want to say maybe it's red. Might be right here in the template, which I think it is actually. If you click on it, I think you have a choice down here. Blue, green, and red. Yeah. To zoom in on that. Try that again. Zoom in on that. I guess I can't be zooming in. Alright, so there it is. You can make, all these will still work, so that's what's kind of cool with the way I just did this. And it'll pull it in for you. So that's it. Hope this works for you, and we'll catch you on the next tutorial. Thank you.